Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford Focus clutch. First, ensure you have all the correct parts, including a new clutch kit and the necessary tools. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and draining the transmission fluid. Next, safely raise your vehicle using a lift or sturdy jack stands, ensuring it is stable before proceeding. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe repair process. With the vehicle elevated, you'll need to disconnect various components from the transmission. This includes electrical connectors, shift cables, and the drive shafts. Support the engine, then remove the transmission mounting bolts and any other fasteners. With care, slowly lower the transmission from its position, ensuring it clears all surrounding components. This step requires patience and often an extra set of hands. Now that the transmission is out, you can access the clutch assembly. Unbolt the pressure plate and remove both the old pressure plate and clutch disc. Take a moment to inspect the flywheel for any hot spots or grooves. Resurfacing or replacement might be necessary. Install the new clutch disc, ensuring it's centered with an alignment tool, then bolt on the new pressure plate. With the new clutch installed, it's time for reassembly. Carefully lift and secure the transmission back into place, reattaching all bolts, mounts, drive shafts, and electrical connections. Once everything is connected, refill the transmission with the specified fluid. Finally, reconnect the battery and test the clutch operation, ensuring smooth engagement and proper gear changes before driving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.